Hello dear students, this is the second part of chapter 13, that is beginning of British rule in India. So today we will start with Carnatic Wars. As we know, all the European powers wanted to control the trade in India. So by the year 1746, only two European powers were leading in India, which were English East India Company and the French East India Company. So Carnatic Wars were the conflict for the control on Indian trade between these two companies, which were fought in Mughal territories. And some of the Mughals joined English East India Company and some joined the French East India Company to defeat their rivals to gain the rule of their territories. So, Carnatic region was the area between Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. So, in this map, you can see this green region is indicating the Carnatic region. So all the three wars were fought in this area. That's why they were called as Carnatic Wars. So English East India Company won the third battle but allowed French East India Company to do business at some of their old trading posts, but with the condition that they will not fortify their post and they will not collect the French army there. Now battle over.